Midea AC error code E1, what it means and how to solve it fast. The E1 error code on your Midea inverter AC indicates a communication error between the indoor and outdoor units, meaning the signal is not getting through properly. This is most often caused by issues with the wiring, such as loose connections, damaged cables, or incorrect wiring, but can also be due to a faulty PCB in either the indoor or outdoor unit. Here are some troubleshooting steps. Reset the AC. Turn off the power to the AC unit at the circuit breaker, wait 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. You can also try resetting the remote control. Check the wiring and connections. Locate the wiring box on both the indoor and outdoor units. Ensure all wires are clean, tight, and correctly connected, following the wiring diagrams inside the unit's panels. Check for any visible breaks or damage in the communication wires. Inspect the PCB. If the wiring appears to be in good condition, the problem may be with the control board itself. This can be due to faulty components on the board, such as capacitors, optocouplers, or resistors. A shorted IPM, intelligent power module, on the outdoor PCB can also cause this error. Contact a technician. If the wiring and connections are secure and you are still experiencing the E1 error, it's best to contact a certified technician to inspect and replace the faulty PCB if necessary.